G'day, here's a lower grade parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rules millimetres, material's been wetted. And I'll zoom in a bit so you get a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in. The white that you can see like there is the reflection of the lights. This is a low grade parcel, but some people are looking for the flatter pieces for geometry stands. This would be ideal. Some of it has got looks like it's been glued onto a board or something, unfortunately. But, this is a low grade parcel, bit of Koroite there, nice hard material, bit of colour at the top. Again, it's been glued down. Grinds off very easily, this, if you wanted to get rid of it. Big face with a little bit of opal on it. Not all of it's come off the boards, but a fair bit of this. That piece hasn't, I just cut a face off there. Piece of Koroite with a bit of colour running through there. So it has a little bit of potential. A lot of other bits and pieces there that I've thrown in to make up the weight. But be about 1.5 kilos by the time it's ready to pack. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.